to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an EC2 that contains Java 17 by using Terraform. But before we start, if this is your first time in the channel, I invite you to take a look at the channel playlist where you will find a lot of free tutorials for Jenkins, Docker, AWS, Terraform, Ansible, SonarQube, security, Bash, and more. Okay, let's take a look to what I have here. I have a main.tf, I have an outputs.tf. Let's take a look to the first one. Here I have a provider section. I'm going to use the AWS module and I'm specifying the region here. You probably know that you can specify the access key and the secret key here, but it's not recommended because it's a security issue. Then I have the resource block where I am specifying the image that I'm going to use. This is the ID for the image. In this case, it's an Amazon Linux. There is a typo here, but it's an Amazon Linux. And also, I'm specifying the key name. This is the SSH key that I'm going to use to connect to the EC2 when it's created. And this is the ID for the key that I already have in my system. This is the security group that I'm going to use for my resource, and this is the important key here. I'm going to use the user data and I'm going to retrieve all the information from an external file, in this case in a shell script. Okay, I will show you about this script in a few seconds, but first here also have the tags. As you remember, this is the best practice for all the cloud resources. You need to put tags in your resources in order to identify them and track them. Okay, let's take a look at the bash script. In this case I have here, and as you can see, this is a basic script where I'm only updating all the packages in the system, and after that I'm going to install Java 17, in this case the Corretto version, which is from Amazon. Okay, let's take a look on the outputs as well, because here I'm going to retrieve some information from the EC2, such as the public DNS, public IP address, all the tags, the ARN, or the private stuff like the private IP or private DNS. Okay, let's try to initialize this Terraform init. I'm going to initialize to retrieve all the details from the module, in this case the AWS. After that, I'm going to do a Terraform plan to see what I'm going to deploy into the cloud. Okay, here you can see plan 1 to be added, 0 to be changed, 0 to be destroyed. And these are the configuration that I just shown from the TF file, which has the ID from the image, has all the family as well. I'm going to use a T2 micro in this case, and also the tags and so on. Okay, let's do a Terraform apply with the option auto approve to avoid to prompt for the yes or no. Here also it shows everything from the Terraform plan as well. It will show you what it will create, and here the Terraform started to create the cloud resource. I'm going to pause the video until it's created. Okay, the command just finished, and as you can see, one resource was added as expected, in this case the EC2 instance, and also the outputs just display everything that we need to connect to the EC2. I'm going to take the public IP address and I'm going to use my identity file, which is located in my home SSH, this one. Okay, I'm going to use EC2 user, which is the default user in Amazon Linux, and I'm going to put the IP address. It will get into the EC2. As you can see, I'm in it, Amazon Linux, and to confirm that Java is installed, I'm going to execute Java version in this case. Here, I already installed Java 17 in my system, and this is how you can use Terraform to manage your cloud resources and to install it something. You can install packages, you can install applications, and get them ready just after the command is completed. This is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Thanks.